Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to invest in Etoro. So it's basically pretty simple. Go over to Discover tab, and here you have Overview. Go over to Stocks right here, and you can invest in stocks just by picking your stock. So let's find one, or you can search one in this tab right here. So let's explore this featured stock, which is Tesla. Click on it. Then here you can see the graph, as you can see, how it is moving. Where is the price currently? It is at $276 per share. So you can go over here and trade. In order to invest, click on this button and here select the amount. So as you can see, the minimum amount for Tesla is $10. So if you don't have $10, as you can see, I have available $1, you cannot buy it. But if you have it, just type in 10. And then you can set your stop loss. So basically when the price hits your stop loss, it will automatically sell and you will not lose more money. You can take profit. So if the price is currently, for example, $100 more than you invested, it will automatically sell and you can take the profit. And you can pick leverage, which I don't recommend if you are not skilled in this. So if you are not skilled, press X1, leave it at that. Don't use these ones. Now, okay, so you can go over here and buy it. Here you will have the button to buy it. And that's how you invest in Tesla on Etoro. So investing in Etoro is really easy. Set up an account and do it. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.